Good day everyone, my name is Sunny Boy Pascual from 2BZA. I created this video for the compliance of the subject STSJEC with the topic inspired by Bill Joyce's essay. In Bill Joyce's article, he warned against the rapid rise of new technologies. He explained that 21st century technologies are becoming very powerful that they can potentially bring out new classes of accident, threats, and abuses. Various technical advancement in all forms and sizes may be inside the home, office, and the workplace. It makes the life easier. However, it can also destroy the life at the same time if not used properly. Through robotics and nanotechnologies, human may be replaced by them as they can multitask without complaining. They don't have breaks. They never sick. And they are more cheaper in the long run. Unlike human employment, it may also raise concern about ethical dilemma through the form of replication and reproduction of human using technological advancement such as DNA modification and cloning that has been developing throughout the decades. Nowadays, technology has been so aggressive and has already encompasses several of significant uses of humanity, such as the involvement of intelligent robots, genetic engineering, and with these relevant usages, human tends to become dependent to it, resulting to an abusive behavior towards the system, which can lead to the idea that technology has taken over the place as the superior over human. As a future educator, I could say that the human, like me, remains playing crucial role in the world despite of continuous advancement of technologies such as artificial intelligence because of the free will, emotional implication, adaptivity on the situation, and flexibility of human in portraying any roles needed in the society. As a human, I could always flourish my students' knowledge and different ways of acquiring information through academic and trainings and experiences. I could also put pastoral care to my students to employ the sense of belongingness among their classmates and colleagues. I could also put emphasis on adaptability of the situation, such taking over other classes when my co-teachers are not present or when the emergency partakes in an instance. Through artificial intelligence perceived with negativity, we cannot disregard the positive outcomes that it was given to us. Machineries reduces human force and may use their time on leisures. The communication become easily and possible through internet and satellites. Food manufacturing became productive as machineries can produce hundreds of thousands in just a few hours. That embarks the growth of economics provided by food consumption in an instance. Keep in mind that everything can be used to create or destroy depending on how we use the power in our hand. Humans are created different from other living organisms in the world. We created to be superior, created with instinct, emotions, and ability to think critically, to control our own life, depending on how we wanted to be, and the technologies as an equipment for changes and progression. Keep in mind that everything can be used to create or destroy depending on how we use the power in our hand.